Hello and welcome to Someka Excel Bookkeeping Template. Basically, this template is a lightweight bookkeeping solution for small businesses. So you can record your financial transactions, categorize income and expenses, and automatically generate key financial reports such as income statement, balance sheet, and a cash flow statement, which I will show in a moment now. The template consists of basically two main parts. The income records and expense reports are where you make your data input. I will just go into details now. And monthly overview and dashboard are the output of this template. So let's start with the settings part. So you can input your income categories here, like sales, services, which you are going to use while making your income records in the relevant section. So expense categories, like same, the payment accounts. We make the template this kind of data input in the settings section in order to prevent data discrepancies throughout the template. Okay, so you can select the starting year here and starting month, because it can change from case to case according to your country regulations and so on. One thing to notice here is this plus button. When you click on it, you can input more settings, sections and categories and so on. So let's start with the income records. Here you put your date. For example, these turned to red as we changed the starting year. You see, it was 2024 before, so the template warns you also with your data input as well. You make your data input, the income categories. See, you can select from your income categories where you made your inputs here, and also write a description, the payment account where you select your account, and then you make your inputs like the income records here. These are the calculated areas according to your inputs. And the second section where you make the inputs are the expenses. The expense report basically works the same. So you can choose your expense categories, write your description, the payment account, and the total amount and the tax. And these are similarly calculated columns here. You make the data input like the dates and so on. Then after you finish making your inputs, you can now analyze what's going on in the following months. This is basically the income and expense statement. Think it like this mini QuickBooks replacement. You don't need to be fully accountant, you don't need to be fully financial manager or so on, but you can still manage your small business accounting in this template. Per month, you'll see the incomes and expenses and the total amounts as well. You can change some display settings here. You may want to see it monthly or cumulative, as it accumulates each month as the data flows through. And the value parameter is the total amount or text amount or the net amount. You can change these settings from this monthly overview. If you input more data in more categories, more income or expense categories, you may want to click this button so that you can see all the details in this table. Going back to the main menu, and also let's see the dashboard here. You can choose the analysis amount and the payment account here. So it gives you more specific details about your cash flow and the income and expense categories and so on. So this is basically it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net. Thank you.